That feels good, dude.
Ooh, why am I getting in the water? I'm trying to film you and I'm getting myself wet.
It's like that cool. Get it? There you go. Yeah, Bob, what you doing over there?
Getting wet. Tempest, what you doing? What are you doing? You like that?
It is 100 degrees out here.
It's pretty hot outside, and
It was hot.
so it's Tempest's first time playing in the sprinklers, and she apparently enjoys it. And I'm standing here, although you can't see me fully clothed, and my jeans are getting soaking wet. Well, I had to get closer. I couldn't see what was going on.
Yeah.
Get that toe in there. Now this is the sprinkler you should have been at, so I could have stayed out of the spray.
Yeah, the cold water doesn't bother her at all. I kind of wasn't sure if it would or not.
Well, it's really hot out here, so the cold feels good. Tempest, what are you doing? Tempest,
It's like I'm drenched.
what you doing? Tempest, what are you doing? Tempest, what are you doing? It's like I'm rinsing off all this food from my food that I got on myself.
Yeah. You get him?
Ah. Alrighty.
I don't think she's not. You can
Turn her
that
this
off.
way so I can see her.
Yeah, I'm drenched. We're drenched.
Is that fun, Tempy?
She's loving it. She doesn't want to have to stand on the grass. Which our grass sucks.
Tempest.
That remedy.
Yeah, it's called new sod. Tempest, look at mommy. Look at mommy. What are you doing down there? What are you doing? She's just like, I'm chilling. I'm putting my foot in this. Okay.